Hello everyone, and welcome back to Walcott Fine Art. I'm glad that you're joining me again. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of new products that I recently discovered. I think they've been on the market for maybe a year, probably maybe a little bit less now, but they're relatively new products that I thought you might be interested to see. And the first one is, and they're both panels, canvas panels to paint on. And the first one is this product from Fredrix, which I recently discovered. And they come pre-toned. So they are, rather than being white, the acrylic gesso that they put on the panel is this sort of burnt umber toned color. So this, you know, I'm a big advocate of toning your canvases or your surfaces before you start to paint on it. So it seems like such a logical thing that they would have, but this is the first time I've ever actually seen this on the market. I wonder what took them so long, but they're called Cantones. And so if you want to spend, a few extra bucks and get these, that will save you the time of toning your canvases. And they're basically ready to paint on with this burnt umber tone on them. So that you don't have to tone the canvas with paint and then wait for it to dry and all that stuff. You can just take it right out of the package and start painting on it. So I thought that was a really clever thing to come up with, and like I said, I'm surprised that it took them this long. So again, it's called Cantone, and it's made by Fredrix, the canvas panels. Now the second one, which I was really excited to see when I was in Art Supply Warehouse a few weeks ago, was anyone who's watched my channel knows that I love the Masterpiece Pro canvases. They're really beautifully, wonderfully made canvases. Well, Masterpiece just came out with a new line of panels. So this is a masonite panel with the canvas mounted onto it. It's actually double-sided. So the canvas is only on one side, on this side, but the other side is finished, so you could paint on both sides if you wanted to. These would be wonderful for finished paintings, for plein air work, but I was really excited to see this. And this one's still in its shrink wrap, but I did use a couple of the other ones of the same type, and I just love them so far. They're really nice. They come in the same different finishes and primings as their regular stretched canvas. So they have the oil primed linen and the acrylic primed linen and the alkyd primed cotton and the acrylic primed cotton and all the different types. And of course, the most expensive, as with the canvases, is the oil primed linen. But you can get an acrylic primed linen one like this, or cotton one like this, and oil prime it yourself, which I do all the time. Anyway, so anyone who likes the Masterpiece Pro canvases, I just wanted to let you know that they now make panels, these hardcore panels. So I was really pleased to see that. So if you'd like to go and try out these new Masterpiece panels, I would recommend them. They're really, really very nice, and especially for plein air. So that would be a great thing to use these for, because they're pretty lightweight and they are archival quality. So anyway, go ahead and check those two products out, and if you like them, let me know what you think. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you won't miss the next video. And why not spread the joy? Be sure to share my videos on your favorite social media. Don't forget to head on over to my website, walcottfineart.com, where you can see my art, read my blog, or when you join my newsletter list, you can win free art. Every month, I'll choose a lucky winner for my email list, and that person will receive a mini original oil painting. There's a chance to win every month, so be sure to sign up today so you don't miss out. Plus, you'll get my fun newsletter. See you next time!